far side is Jeff Preston. And now the run around between the half-backs, spinning the ball out. A big break on there, a lovely football there, that's great to see. And then David Campbell and the referee, the crowd getting a little bit fed up with David Campbell's interpretation of that rule there. David Campbell, of course, only doing the job. Cook Islands with the fourth scrum of the game. Good defence there from the USA. Tina, the prop, just taking that ball forward and two men in at the tackle, snuffing him out. Cook Islands will move the ball the same way across to the right-hand side of the field, looking for an overlap. Get the ball away, but again, the great smother defence there. The USA wrapping the man up, stopping him from releasing the ball in the tackle eventually. Ollie Davis gets the ball out on that far side to number 3, Patai. We're up to the last tackle again, so the United States have defended well since they conceded the tries. A cross-field kick comes in. Is he going to be tackled over his own line? He is. That was a great kick. And again, the USA will be dropping out from underneath the post. And the winger, number 2, Rory Lewis for the USA, just hesitated a little bit then. Allowed the ball to bounce and paid the penalty. This time the dropout's long and deep, almost to halfway. And again, Tierney will drive the ball forward. Good defence again from the USA. Just held short, plays the ball to himself. He's going offside there, but David Campbell deciding to let the ball flow. Let the game go on. Again, Davis works the article, tries to get the big prop, Bob Hunter, over the ball, moving out in the tackle. That's again good defence from the USA. The hooker trying to go himself. Buddy over from action half is Denver Johnson. We're up to the last tackle now. Just a metre short. The Cook Islands back with the hands of the halfbacks. Puts the kick through again, trying to. And the ball goes dead. The valiant attempt there by the fullback Toa to reach that ball before it went dead. Cook Islands leading by 10 points to 0. The USA on the attack, playing with the advantage of the slight slope here at Post Office Road. And then number 8, David Bow, will drive forward and takes play into the quarter. And then big running but big defence there. Everine, good tackling coming in there from the Cook Islanders. The clever switches have played. There's some good football there. There should be opening try here. And David Campbell says that the man there is not that's a try, yes, that's a try. Came off the boat. The Cook Islander was well offside there, the number 13. But you know they're well offside, and the referee playing the advantage. And it's Jeff Preston who got the try, and he's looked a class player, but great football again there from the USA. The ball just rolling over at the kickoff. That's set up lovely there, and USA will run this ball out. And good defence there. Suspicion of a flop from Davies. Moving the ball again, looking to move the ball. Big number 8, David Bow. He's tackled on his own 10-metre line, so they're making much progress at the moment, the United States now. The ball whipping again through the hands, a chip over. And they've not been afraid to put the chip over into space. Even though it means giving away possession. Hanging on there to the pass was number 5. Terry, who looked to give the ball. If he had done it, would have been to a statesider. Tinney going for that line, pushing in strongly, pushing there. Is he going to get the ball down? Great defence from the USA, pushing him back there. Just a metre short. 3 tackles gone. Hooker moving the... Well, I say Hooker moving the ball. And again, the USA winning the scrum. Knock on there. And the crowd not very happy with that again. That certainly was a knock on by the number 12, Doug Eriksson. Cookhounds work the ball from the scrum. Oh, a good play there, right from the base of the scrum. That shows a rugby league experience. That's good play. From number 6, Craig Ballard, going over from the scrum. The conversion was from Nuveo. The ball coming out from behind. Tacklers and number 18, he just driving the ball forward. That's good defense, good attack again, should we say there from the Cook Islands. Cook Islands moving the ball. Tanner Ford is brought down, but the Cook Islands are almost up to halfway. Shoot there from Denver Johnson, and manages to get the ball away in the tackle to Pai Tai. So play just outside the 20 metres, and the Cook Islands move the ball to the left. Look for the run around there between the moves forward. And a half back and some bad tackling. Offside. And so the penalty will go to the Cook Islands. Quickly taken. Ali Davis. Now the loose forward again. We're very impressed with Nuveo tonight. And this man runs hard and runs strong and doesn't get stopped that easily. In fact, he doesn't get stopped at all on this occasion. Try there, this for Hunter. Hunter, big man, takes some stopping. Second try of the evening then for Bob Hunter. Nuveo with the attempted conversion. Conversion in, it's coming in from Nuveo. Safely through the middle. $22 points to 16. Approaching the half hour. A good long deep kick-off coming in there from the USA. Some big defence. And the number 8 for the USA, David Bow, is injured. Injured in that tackle. Quickly to his feet. It's a big, solid looking front forward.